Hi, today in this video, I will start a new training course for Microsoft project. This is the first video and I will focus into an introduction and overview for Microsoft Tool project. Okay, so now let's get started. This is the layout for Microsoft Project Tool on my Windows PC. Assuming you are the team lead or project manager in the project. So when you and the team start working on any feature or even start working on the whole project, so you have to do planning before you can start to working on any more detail or specific task or feature of the project. We have a lot of tools with me supporting you to do the planning. However, based on my experience in the past, I'm working on a lot of the project and with a lot of the customer over the world. I see that Microsoft Project is a very powerful tool. It's really supporting you from the initiating until closing your project. So here, this video, we will talk about an overview for the layout and some functionalities which will be supporting you to do the planning and managing your project. The first one, we have the ribbon menu on the top here, task, resource, report, project, view, have, and chart format. Here. So here, come back to the task. This one is the menu. It will contain all of the functionalities. It will be mainly working with them. Yeah. Under the task menu, it has some feature. You can change the view for the plan here. By default, it will be display the view mode as is the Gantt chart. Yeah. For Gantt chart view, on the left hand side, it will be the task, and on the right hand side, it will contain some the time frame here. Yeah. And we will go to see it more detail later. We have some other mode here for the calendar, network diagram, resources here, and some other form here, timeline, task sheet, task form, task bar, and other form here. So we will go in more detail later. We have some other basic function for the copy, paste, cut, and do some format painter. The fonts here, you change the font formats for the task here and change the font size, the color, and for scheduler, you can update the task for your team. This is the percentage of completion. Yeah, by default, when you start working on any task, you start working on the task, the percentage of completion is really zero. However, day by day, after you finish the task, or even some part of the task, you can change or update the percentage of completion is 25, 50, 75, and 100% of completion. You also change some the relationship for other tasks in the project. By select the linking option here, we will go into more detail. Yeah. So here we have some the task function here. We have the manually scheduler, auto scheduler, the inserts for task, summary, and some milestone in the project, variable, some other information for the project. Here, note detail, and some other function here for finding the content in the plan. We have another task. It is the resource where you can do the planning for the team member in the project before you can assign the task to any specific person in the team. We have some other report here. So basically, when you input all the information into the planning here, and by weekly, monthly, or any time in working day or even the weekend, you can go to the report menu and export some the report for the purpose. Yeah, it will be helpful for you to easier manage the task for the project team or even send it to the higher management for reporting. We will come back in more detail later. we have project tab here where you need to set some the project information for start date and finish date for the project. And we have some custom fields, some work breakdown structure, and the most important is change working time. We've been working on this later. Yeah. Some the set baseline is also very important and powerful for the Microsoft project tool. I will come later as well. Yeah. We have another task in view where you can do some filter by just highlight some other active tasks, some backlog tasks, or some critical tasks in the project, or something like so. You can do some filter, do that filter some tasks for the protocol, group the tasks based on some condition here. We have some time scale. You can change this one here, and then this will update the view on the right hand side. When you select the Gantt chart view mode here, view by day, or even by quarter here. Okay. We have formatting for Gantt chart format. Yeah, for some critical tasks, some select late date, or other functionalities. I will come back more detail later. Yeah. And so here, so below we have the timeline. This is the overall timeline for the project from the start until it finishes the project. Yes. Okay, cool. And the below, this one is the most important. On the left hand side here, you enter some of the tasks, the task mode, the task name, the duration, start, date, finish date, and we have a lot of the data point here, which will be supporting you to add more into the view or even import it to the report for you. Yeah, we will go into more detail later. Okay, so that's all for this video. After we finish this video, you will be understand the Microsoft project as an overview, and you know some of the basic feature of the Microsoft, which will support you to manage your project and do planning better. Okay, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.